Let's study a scalar quantities. What is a scalar quantity? Is at first it is a physical quantity. First point is that a scalar quantity is a physical quantity. It has magnitude. Okay, it has magnitude with unit. It has no direction. Okay, these three things we have in a scalar quantities. This is a physical quantity means what? Physical quantity means it can be measured. What is a physical quantity? Quantities which can be measured. So it can be measured. If it is measured, it has a magnitude. Okay, and after measuring the magnitude, we put the unit. Okay, we put the unit. Still, it will not have any direction. This is the main point of difference. Okay, that a scalar quantity will not have any difference. Direction will not be defined in a scalar quantity. For example, let us take, for example, if we consider about temperature is 98 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, this 98 is what? This 98 is magnitude. Okay, this 98 is magnitude. This degree Fahrenheit is what? This one, degree Fahrenheit, this is unit. It has magnitude, it has unit. Okay, and where is the direction? Is 98 degree Fahrenheit showing any type of direction? Either it is east, either it is west, or it is any angular direction, that is theta, anything? No. There is nothing angular direction, nothing east, west, north, east. There is nothing like that. This is not showing like that. So it is not showing any type of direction, no angles involved in degree Fahrenheit. Therefore, this is what? This will called a scalar quantity. This has no direction. So these 3 points to be considered in case of a scalar quantities. It should be a physical quantity. It means it should be measured, and it has a magnitude with unit. Okay, and no direction. Okay, no direction. It will be, you can say that it is completely represented by a single number. Okay, single number along with a proper unit. Okay, we have seen. Now another example we can take. Suppose that length equals to 10 meters. If it is written length equals to 10 meters, is it showing any direction? Is it showing east? Is it showing north? It is nothing. Is it showing 45 degree? Is it showing 30 degree? Nothing. Okay, no angle involved, no directions involved, nothing involved. So it is non-direction. No, non-direction is a broad term. It is not showing any direction. Okay, no direction involved in length equals to 10 meters. So it is a scalar quantity. Okay, it has magnitude, it has unit, but it has no direction. Only 3 points we should remember always. Magnitude, yes. Unit, yes. Direction, no. Only 3 points. Magnitude, yes. Unit, yes. Direction, no. Okay. Now, rules of combining scalars. What? Rules of combining. Rules of scalars. A scalar arithmetic, we can say. Rules of arithmetic for scalars is what? It follows simple rules of algebra. Okay, it follows simple rules of algebra means what? It can be added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided just like ordinary numbers. It means what? It follows simple rules of algebra. It means what? It means that what? It means that it can be added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided. It means that scalars can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided just like ordinary numbers. Okay, this is the main point. Okay, its arithmetic is just like ordinary numbers, nothing technical. It means what? Simply it is added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided like ordinary numbers. It means what? Nothing technical. Okay, no need to worry. It will be added by some rule. It will be added. Nothing. That is what we read in the class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This type of algebra is involved in the scalar multiplication, addition, subtraction. That is ordinary algebra. Okay, so nothing to consider, anything else. Okay, thank you.